minutes in and my fucking chain fell off on the inside there. So I gotta fix that before we can keep going. Fuck. It's a nice ride though. There's basically no cars on the road. It's sick. There we go. We're all started up again. Just got here. A little deer ran across the bridge. I'm seeing a few little fish darting around. They're super tiny though. And it flows both ways. I'm gonna put a little worm on my hook and see if we can catch something in this little stream. There's my stuff. Already this little creek. It's got a ton of wildlife. There's a little snake right there. There's craws on top of all of these rocks. Tons of small fish. They look like little dace or minnows. I'm gonna try and get one on my hook and see. There's dace. Super tiny compared to my hand. Well, actually not too small for the fish that are in here. But it's a neat little fish to catch. On a little worm. Try and get some more. Number 2, another little dace. A little bit bigger, but not by much. There's just so many minnows in here. I'm gonna have to set up some traps to catch craws and minnows in here because it's just crazy. He's the exact same species as the other 2. I see 2 real big, like big for this creek fish down there. I want to kind of check out what they are, so I'm gonna try and get my line to them. I think that's actually the biggest dace yet. He's actually decent size. Neat. All over those little fish. Trying to use my polarized sunglasses to give you a better view, but yeah, there's fish and crays and little snakes all around. And I currently have a massive fucking soaker, so. Ah, I lost him. Fuck. Oh, and there's another. They're fucking everywhere. Frogs. There's a craw. Just gotta get my footing before I nab him. Oh shit. 2 pretty decent ones. Yeah, I need to get a trap in here. Got one. Oh, look at that guy. Oh shit, he's fucking pinching me. He's not, ow! Oh, actually doesn't hurt that bad, never mind. But he's not the species I'm used to. That's really neat. He's got these cool speckled claws. Okay. Awesome if you would stop pinching me. Oh, and he's got a fucking whisker, whatever, in the front, on the tip of his nose. I've never seen that in any of the craws at my lake, so that's really neat. I'm gonna let him go before he fucking spills blood. Let go. Got him. There we go. Oh shit, he's black. Oh my god, he's actually really stunning. Ow, let go. Let go. Right, he is black with these beautiful orange tip claws. He's a really cool, oh, okay, he looks like the same species as the last one because he's got that same little whisker in the middle of his face. Oh my god, I really love these guys. These are so interesting. Ow! Oh, fuck. But yeah, he's really neat. I'm gonna let him go now. I'm gonna go for one more catch of craws, then I'm gonna go back to catching more dace. Ah, I got him. So it seems like maybe there's 2 species of craws in here. I'm gonna have to check out what they are when I get home. But yeah, black, those speckled claws, and that little orange whisker right in the middle of his face is pretty distinctive that they're all the same kind. Which is really cool, actually. Ow. There you go. Alright, up we go. Back to do a little more fishing and dry out for a bit. In the water, and we got ourselves, I don't even know how many days this is at this point, but there's a fucking lot of them. I don't know if you can see all the hundreds of little fish swarming around my worm right now, but there is a fucking lot of them. They're really after that worm, but it's too big for any of them to fit in their mouths. Little water snake right there. I'm gonna go down and catch him. Hopefully I'm gonna catch him. Not gonna jinx it.